Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next one is, what is the output of given program? Void main taking string character array of array name is string str some size 10 is equal to a b c d e f. So printf percentage s comma str comma str. Next str of 3 is equal to small a. Then printf percentage s comma str. Next str of 3 is equal to null character. Null character is single quotes slash 0 single quotes, and then printf percentage s comma str. Then printing str of 3 is equal to small a. SQL is 97, 98, 99, 100. We're assigning 100, and then printf percentage s comma str. Next str of 3 is equal to, within the single quotes I am assigning any character here. I am assigning small a. ASCII value is 97. Here I am assigning 97, and then printf percentage s comma str. Next one, str of 3 is equal to 0. So printf percentage s comma str. So what is the output of a given program? Here what is the size of an array? 10. Here the memory is allocated for 10 elements. First element, second element, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. The name of the array is str of 0, str of 1, str of 2, str of 3, str of 4, str of 5, str of 6, str of 7, str of 8, then str of 9. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. These addresses is 500, 501, 502, 503, 504, 506, 507, 508, 508, 509. So continuous memory is allocated. Here the first value is a, so next value is b, next value is C, next value is D, next value is E, next value is F. Remaining elements are zeros. So 0 ASCII value, equivalent character is null character. Remaining values are null characters. Null character. So array name always gives base address of an array. Here the base address of an array is str. Okay, so percentage yes str here replace base address of an array. Base address is 500. It prints 500 address to up to null character. So output is A, B, C, D, E, F. Here the output is A, B, C, D, E, F. Next, str of 3 is equal to within the single quotes A. Here the str of 3 is replaced with str of 3. This one is replaced with A. So within the single quotes A. Now the printer percentage s comma str. What is str? Base address of an array. Yes, prints means base address to up to null character. So output is A, B, C, A, E, F. E, F. Next one is str of 3 is equal to null character. Now str of 3 is replaced with, this one is replaced with null character. So null character is within the single quotes within the single quotes slash 0 within the single quotes. So printf percentage s str. What is percentage s of str? Means base address 500 to up to null character. Str of 3 is null character, then it prints ABC. Here the output is ABC. Now str of 3 is equal to 100. So what is str of 3? This one is replaced with 100. Small a ASCII value is 98, 99. Small a ASCII value is 97, 98, 99, 100. So 100 ASCII value equivalent character is D. In str of 3, this one is replaced with D. Now printf percentage s of str means str prints base address to up to null character. This one is printed. So output is A, B, C, D, E, F. Next, str of 3 is equal to 97. Now the str of 3 is replaced with 97 equivalent character is small a. So this one is replaced with small a. So next printf percentage s of str. What is str? 500. percentage s of str means 500 to up to null character. The output is a b c a e f. Next, str of 3. str of 3 so str of 3 is 0. Next, here str of 3 is 0. Here we are assigning ASCII value. It stored equivalent character. So 0 ASCII value character is within the single quotes. So within the single quotes /0. Now printf percentage s of str means it prints base address to up to null character. The output is abc. So please remember, we are assigning either ASCII value or character stores here. Okay. So still you have any doubts, please refer once again. Thank you for watching.